ArtByMoon. This time we will make some planets in Procreate. First we will choose Studio Pen as a brush and then tap on color. You will choose any shade you want from any color. It is totally up to you. Then make different kinds of shapes and fill it with color drop. I am using funky colors. This step is important. Go on adjustments and choose liquify option. In liquify use 12 right and let the size be 90% and distortion will be none. Adjust the canvas so you can see it nicely. This is really satisfying. Now adjust it by your own. Tap on crystals. Now we will add a new layer. Taking black color and making curve shape and fill the outer part with color drop. For shadow. Very important, and point tool, go on adjustment and choose Gaussian blur and hold it, swipe right.